Welcome to Soneva Jani. This is the sister property of Soneva Fushi, and it is another incredible resort in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Now, if you've visited the Soneva properties before, you'll notice a lot of similar touches throughout them. Let's go and have a look at this 2-bedroom overwater villa that we're staying in. So you come in here and you've got an incredible dining area, beautiful white table, and as you can see, stunning views of the Indian Ocean. As I said, there are 2 bedrooms in this property, but this isn't one of the bedrooms. This is actually a separate cinema room. So here you've got a projector, you've got an incredible day bed for lounging on and watching movies at night. And you come through here to a separate dressing area, vanity area, and you've got an accessible bathroom and shower here. And then let's go through to the other side of the property. It does take quite a while to walk through because it's that vast, bear with me. And we'll go to the other side of the property, and here you've got a work from home space. So if you do have to do a few emails while you're here, there's an internet connection and you can work from home, but imagine those views. And you've also got a kitchenette area. So here you've got a Smeg fridge and a wine fridge, and you've also got top shelf spirits and tea and coffee making facilities. Now through to the master suite, beautiful white finish, white linen finishes, and if you've watched our room tour of Soneva Fushi, you'll notice similarly in the bedside table there's a button. And if I press the button and you look up, there you go. You'll see the roof retracting. Imagine that at night, looking at the stars over the Indian Ocean. And then through here, we've got a little separate room that can be made up as a kid's room if you've got a small child traveling with you. Through to another separate dressing area and an indoor-outdoor shower. So this shower goes out here onto the deck, and you've got a lovely bath here as well, very, very private. And from the bath, you can step back into the rest of the bathroom, a lovely massage day bed. Yes, you can have music piped into every room, you can probably hear that. And then let's now go outside onto the main terrace, where you'll see the incredible infinity pool. If you watched my Soneva Fushi tour, I think I said it was the biggest pool I'd seen. Well, this one is even bigger. I guess because it's a 2-bedroom suite. You've got steps down into the sea right there. Look at that beautiful blue water. Huge infinity pool. A couple of sun loungers, a swing as well, daybed swing, and multiple day beds dotted throughout the terrace. And then at this far end of the terrace, we've got a hammock for lying in, reading a book perhaps and relaxing. We've got another dining area, and the signature of these properties is obviously the water slide. And if you look back up there, you'll see that we've yet to go upstairs. So let's go upstairs now and I'll show you the second bedroom. So we've come upstairs to the outdoor terrace, huge dining table where you can have in-villa dining, and a little nook as well for the kids, another sun lounger if you're so inclined. And then let's go through to what's the second bedroom, but would work perfectly well as a master as well, if you prefer to be upstairs. Again, huge bed. I can't tell you as well, stepping into this lovely air-conditioned room is divine. We've got a terrace out here and another terrace on this side. Views out over the ocean again, and then come through here, you've got a smaller dressing area and wardrobe, but plenty of space here if you're traveling with multiple people, and through here to the bathroom.